indulge करना is very underrated, जो कि होना चाहिए. Why should guys always pay? Because आए तो डेट पे दोनों है ना, so अगर दोनों की कंपनी है तो दोनों के पैसे भी होने चाहिए.
सही बात है यार.
First date, I think 2000.
2000.
Yeah.
Any reason or just?
Just random number coming to my mind.
Okay. What about you?
Yeah, 2000, 3000.
2000, 3000 minimum on the first date.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. It's depend how much he earns. Suppose he earns like 5k. Yeah. I would say 10% would be fine
On a first date.
on a first date.
I don't think there should be a limit. I personally believe in equality, so I would
Nice.
prefer that we split the bill.
Nice.
You are talking to a girl who doesn't even use makeup, so
Yeah, I can see that. You're very beautiful. My girlfriend will break up with me after this. I know that, but
मेरे मुंह से निकल गई, दो कैसे निकल गई आज, मैं मरी जाऊंगा भगवान.
what was your question again?
okay, yeah, you just like the compliments. okay,
No, guys are never honest though. So
okay. पोल मत खोलो हमारी.
वो बड़े डिप्लोमेटिक से आंसर देते हैं, तो दे नेवर ऑनेस्ट, तो फिर उनको इस चीज़ पे करना इट्स नॉट फेयर.
Okay.
काफ़ी गाइस हिडन सोल नीचे यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज दे इनसिक्योर अबाउट
Right, yeah. But मैं यूज नहीं करता.
दे आर फेक इन समवॉट वे, सो फिर इट्स इक्वल.
Right.
I get your question. I think fake, जहाँ तक girls पे fake की बात है, तो I think mainly it is because of the societal pressure that is put on the girls, we as females, to look perfect all the time, to have certain kind of features,
Right.
you know. So I think that is because of the pressure. So a guy doesn't have to face that kind of pressure in the society as we see. So that is my point.
हाँ, ये कहीं ना कहीं फेयर एंड लवली जिम्मेदार है. राइट.
80%.
Nice.
They do, right? Like
Yeah, they
nobody
do.
is 100% honest.
For
So
sure.
yeah, that's okay.
That's okay.
But
Right.
as I said, I believe in equality. So if the girl is faking, then the guy should also do it.
Nice. If suppose a girl is a very nice person, but her beauty is not that good, and she's not able to get somebody, and if that's the if that is getting her someone to talk to her, so I don't think so that's any. And anyhow, after some time, a guy will get to know what she is and what she is not. For sure.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any other questions you want us to ask, write it down below. Thank you.